Hey there! Have you ever wondered how data can be used to make everyday life easier? Well, in this video, I'll show you how I use data and visualization techniques to track my expenses and simplify my life. My expense tracking sheet is built with Google Sheets and has two main sections, the expense entry section and the visualization section. Let me walk you through it. In the expense entry section, there are three tables. The first table lets me select a category of expense and assign an amount budgeted to it. I can put further details of the expense in the second table, and in the third table, I can see details like the date, the category, the cost, track my category balance, and my overall account balance. The visualization section is the fun part. In the total expense spend trend line, I can see the amounts I budgeted towards expenses each month in the line graph form. The total expense spend allows me to know the total amount I've spent on expenses thus far, and the average expense spend card shows me an average of the total expense value. The estimated savings card allows me to forecast how much I can save if I cut down my total expenses by a given percentage. In the monthly spend breakdown charts, I can compare how much I spent per category within a given month. In the category spend per month card, I can compare category spending over selected months. Finally, the comparing amount budgeted to actual monthly spend card allows me to see what I actually spent on expenses versus what I budgeted for them within the selected months. This is how I practically use data analytics and visualization in my everyday life. Have you thought about how you can use it in your life too?